Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Today we've got a beer from the Unity Brewing Company, and it's a collaboration with Track Brewing Company, and this is Look Around You. It's a New England IPA then. It's coming in at 6.4% ABV. So Unity, they're out of Southampton, down in Hampshire, and obviously Track Brewing Company are out of Manchester, up in the northwest of the UK. So yeah, Look Around You, a New England IPA then, coming in at 6.4, no IBUs there. Canned on the 24th of March of 2020. I'm reviewing this on the 11th of April of 2020, best before the end of July 2020. 40ml can then. Brewed in collaboration with our buddies at Track from Manchester. This IPA takes a softness up a level with plenty of flake grains and a big dry hops of Cashmere, Dorado and Cryo Amarillo. So Unity, they're on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and the website Unity Brewing. UnityBrewingCo.com. So I'll put all the links down below anyway. So it contains gluten, barley, oats, wheat, unfiltered, unpasteurised, still cool, drink fresh, usual kind of standard. Nice looking can. Let's crack it open then. I've had, is it the Conflax Pale Ale from Unity before, many years ago, in a bottle. I think I've done a review of it. So we're going to go about halfway in this. About to go on to a tasting. Tap. Get all the bubbles off the edge. So we've got, well, he says. There we go. I'll turn it around. So it's a nice kind of lemony sort of orange lemon sort of straw coloured beer. Didn't really pour much of a head on that kind of quite weak pour. So let's give it a swirl. There we go. It's coming up a bit now. Nice lacing aroma. Wow. Lots of lemony drops sort of thing. Light citrus. Yeah, piffy lemon. A little bit kind of not waxy, but it's got that kind of lemon rind kind of thing. Quite a drying kind of aroma. Let's go straight in, see what we get. Cheers. Wow. I'm just trying to. There we go. See how that goes. Nice creamy white head on the pour. Lemongrass. Very light. It's definitely got more of a lemongrass type flavour than a lot of other New England IPAs I've had before. It's not one of them kind of real kind of tropical fruit kind of juice bombs, if you like. It's more of a slightly drying lemongrass, lemon pith. It's more, I'd say, towards the lemon scale of the citrus fruits. But quite dry. It's drying. It's not dry. It's like not like Brewed IPA dry. It's more drying, just slowly, but it keeps you going back for more. Lovely delicate mouthfeel, low medium body, 6.4, none of that, hiding it very well. Very kind of low bitterness for me on this one, which you don't get, I know, massive bitterness on New England style IPAs, not like West Coast style, but it's not crazy sweet either. It's not that, it's very well balanced at a lower level in my mind. It's a lovely beer, very drinkable, very crushable. Could get in trouble with this one. I reckon if you had 2 or 3 of these, you think you're fine, and then all of a sudden it catches up with you, and then you're not. It's one of them deals. But yeah, so yeah, look around you. IPA from Unity and Track Brewing Company. Nice collaboration. Nice beer. For me, then, in terms of a rating, then I'm going to give this beer a 7 out of 10. So it's a 3.5 on the Untapped scale. Over to Untapped, then, this has had 108 total check-ins, and that's in the last 30 days as well. 91 ratings, then, it's coming in at 3.92. So there you go. That's almost an 8. Is a 3.92, which is a 4 would be an 8. But yeah, a very nice, easy drinking, light, kind of airy, fluffy New England IPA. But for me, a little bit more lemon forward than what I've generally had before. But yeah, lovely beer. Worth picking up for sure. If you look around you might find it. Anyway, thanks for watching then, and hope you're all keeping safe and well, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.